Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and are you ready to have some fun? I've been listening to a lot of Japanese power metal, usually completely female musicians and sing a completely female band. And this is power metal of a different kind. This is Gloryhammer and a song called Rise of the Chaos Wizards, with a very silly video. These people are not taking themselves seriously, so don't think these people are so stupid. They know they are. They're just having fun. They're creating fun songs, and sometimes when you've had enough of your black metal, and you just want to enjoy yourself, you can play stuff like this. Usually driving down the road, down the motorway. You just put it on and it makes you smile. So this is Gloryhammer, Rise of the Chaos Wizards. I don't think have I heard this before? I'm not sure, but I know Gloryhammer. That's the thing. They're crazy. And they're not taking themselves seriously. Just remember that. It's just fun. Metal can be fun. But don't think that fun means easy. This is not easy. They just make it look easy.
10 centuries ago, brave heroes defeated the wizard. Now chaos reigns and evil returns to the kingdom of light. Wizard cultists rage, and that wizard still they are flying. To space they must go, great terror they sow. Nothing can stand in the way. The space fleets of Krill are defeated. The fortress of Triton is lost. Sargon franchises once more from his prison of frost. For the king we will ride through the dark galactic skies. Should it fight the force when the chaos wizards rise? Now the universe will burn, evil sorcerer return. Tragic fight rages tonight. Chaos wizard rise and roll. After centuries of frozen slumber, I am free once more.
This makes no sense.
Courses through my veins, my body is ablaze with astral terror. The galaxy shall once again tremble before the might of Sargon's wrath.
I'll just play the rocks. Very fun.
For the king we will ride through the dark galactic skies. Try to fight the
great, giant rock wipes out the human race at the end. Oh well. It's just mad fun. It's just mad fun. It's a sort of gig where people turn up with inflatable swords and things to wave around. In fact, I saw Dragon Force live in Liverpool, and the bouncers outside, the security guys, were having to take all of these plastic weapons off everybody because everyone had turned up with plastic swords and plastic hammers and all of this sort of thing. So you had this security guard with all these plastic swords stuck in his belt, just standing there like this. He had a sense of humour, you know. But and you can imagine going to a Gloryhammer thing and everyone's waving plastic swords and plastic hammers and just being silly. And there's plenty of room for silly, I think, in life. There's too much seriousness, isn't there? Especially in metal. Some people take it very seriously. But yeah, it's just great fun, Gloryhammer. I've not seen that one, but I've seen others, and it's power metal, isn't it? You know, and that's what power metal is. Go down, well, they do it so well and have some fun while they're doing it. So hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching it with me. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye bye.